Robots span every industry: automotive, industrial, and consumer electronics. Robots provide a difficult challenge to the engineers who design them: to build a system that is at the intersection of electrical, mechanical, and computer science disciplines. A strong understanding of electrical engineering, including software and hardware design, power constraints, and wireless communication, along with mechanical engineering, is critical to unlocking the potential of robotics. We call it systems thinking. It's the reality of how today's technologies are designed and built. While the industry seeks engineers with systems knowledge, structured curriculum has not been available to university academia to assist in teaching across engineering disciplines. Meet the TI Robotics System Learning Kit, or TI-RSLK, an education solution from Texas Instruments to teach systems design using a low-cost robot kit. Based on TI's industry-leading SimpleLink MSP432 MCU Launchpad Development Kit, students will discover the role of each hardware component included within the TI RSLK. They will write code and then learn to integrate with hardware, finishing with their own fully functioning robotic system that can complete challenges and even compete against other TI RSLK robots. The TI RSLK comes with 20 educational modules, each complete with lecture videos and slides, lab documentation and demonstrations, quizzes, and classroom activities for the robotics kit. The kit and curriculum is fully customizable and comprehensive, hands-on and interactive, and focused on the entire system. Students will learn, build, and compete with the TI RSLK, all while developing the valuable systems thinking they'll need to engineer their future in any industry. With a foundation built on systems thinking, students can become better engineers enabled to build the next frontier of smart robots and systems. So let's work together to discover the technology of tomorrow and change the world today.